City-based makeup artist Sue Perez, and I'm going to show you how you can get easy, fabulous eyeliner looks. Who can wear cocoa eyeliner? Cocoa eyeliner is a color that complements almost every single complexion. If you have a cocoa shade eyeliner or brown eyeliner or chocolate eyeliner palette, they're safest to use. It doesn't matter what your skin tone is or your eye color. You just want to make sure that the intensity matches the day or the night. If it's a daytime look, you probably don't want to go so deep and heavy on your eye color. Think more of balance in your makeup. So if you have a heavier eye, a softer lip, and vice versa. If you do a stronger lip, a softer eye. But neutral browns, beige, cream, champagne, cocoa-based eyeshadows are beautiful on every single skin tone complexion. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'd love to answer all your questions. If you have anything you'd like to know, please email me on my website at sueperez.com. Join my mailing list for monthly updates. Visit my blog. I'm basically your personal professional makeup artist here in New York City. I'm also a licensed esthetician, so any skincare concerns that you have, I'd love to hear from you.